Hi children, I hope everyone is in good health by staying at home. Today I'm going to give a few rules or tips how to be success in one's life. See, there are two ways to approach your life. Either I want to do what I want to do, but you must understand what you want to do is just a thought that you generate and it's not yours. It's something that you pick up from around you. Well, there may be a certain aptitude. Do you have a certain aptitude towards a certain action? So, are you thinking in that direction? Or a whole lot of people today are deciding what to do depending upon what they will get out of it. What will I get? Will I get this kind of lifestyle? Will I get this kind of salary? Will I make this kind of money and lifestyle? This is what they think of. This is a wrong way to approach because you will have everything and you will have nothing in the end with life. First of all, you must do this. You must not be driven by your anxieties, your frustrations, your concerns. You must take when these questions become a serious question in your life. You must take off at least 3 to 10 days, let's say, depending upon who you are. Some people may need 3 days, somebody need more time. Let's say maximum 3 to 10 days arrange. And not to be influenced by your peers, to switch up the phone, not to be influenced by your elders, not to be influenced by your parents or the social pressures. Spend some time with yourself and see. I'm asking you a simple question. Are you a precious life? Your life is precious to you, isn't it so? If it's precious to you, what are you going to invest this precious life into? Is something that must concern you, isn't it? You must not do something because he is doing it. You must not do something because he is not doing it. This is not the way to decide things. You are investing your life. If this life is precious, you must see what is it that really matters to you. And you must do that. It doesn't matter, it pays, it doesn't pay. But believe me, if your heart is not in something, really you will not do your best. If you don't do your best, how will great things happen to you? See, whether it is art, music, sports, it doesn't matter what it is. If you are not absolutely devoted to what you are doing, you will never do anything significant in your life. That's for 100%. I'm telling you. You may earn a living, but you will not do anything significant if you are not totally devoted to something. So, the question is not about what do you want to do. The question is just this. Can you be devoted in this? Let's say you think in terms of today. If I invest my life next 25 years, can I be devoted what I am doing right now? Will this matter to me? Will I feel fulfilled if I look back and see what I have done? Something. You do whatever the hell you want. Just do it well. That's important. That's important. And don't do any damn thing that you will be ashamed of doing tomorrow, isn't it? What other people say, it doesn't matter. But you should not be ashamed of what you have done, isn't it so? This much you must keep. This much pride and freedom you must keep in your life. It doesn't matter the whole world says you are wrong, but you are not ashamed of what you have done. That much you must always keep in your life. If that one thing, if you give up, I'm telling you, you live a very poor life. You may have everything, but you will have nothing. Thank you.